How to save a lot of money. Everybody has a dryer, right? If you don't, good for you, because you are wasting money. Here I am on my deck. Here's my deck roof. These racks are $1.50 each. I hang sheets, blankets, everything up here, and the wind just blows in from the warm breeze and dries the clothes. Now, let me tell you another trick. For winter, I'm not kidding, I will wash my clothes, hang them out here, let them dry most of the way, then I put them in the dryer and they dry within 10 minutes. I mean, a full load. It saves me so much money monthly. Just 2 screws. All right, so you got this. All right, it's up. If you ever see those black spots up there, just get some sandpaper and sand them off. It's normal that treated and untreated wood also get some mold, but it's nothing to worry about because it's outside and the air is allowing the wood to breathe. I have saved more money being frugal, and me being by myself, I need to save money, so I do it this way. Hang everything, and then if it's winter, like I said, I put it into the dryer, and it doesn't take long to dry the rest of the way or dry perfectly. The linen smells great. Even though the sun is not hitting it, it just smells great. The wind has gotten to it. Look at all the wind. The wind is blowing. So there's so much air getting in here, and I can feel the breeze. Just really nice. You can see my bee box over there. But just a beautiful smell, and it's clean, and it did not cost me a penny to dry the clothes. Anyway, I hope you save money by using some of my tips. Take care. God bless.